Okay, recording now.
Welcome, everyone, to the early bird drawing for the Chicago Dream Home Raffle, benefiting Wings, HomeAid Chicago, and Homes for Hope. 3 organizations dedicated to helping homeless families and victims of domestic violence. Today, February 11th, we are drawing winners for an early bird drawing for our Dream Home Raffle. We are pleased to be able to share this moment with everyone who has already entered and encourage everyone watching now to buy a ticket. You can go to www.chicagodreamhomeraffle.com to purchase a ticket or call 877, get your pens out, 877-866-4180. Only 28,000 tickets will be sold, making the odds much better than the lottery to win a $1.3 million home or $1 million in cash. In this drawing, we will pull 6 tickets, with the first place prize winner receiving a kitchen remodel package that includes oak cabinets from Lee Lumber's Spaces and Views in their Smart cabinet line. Visit ChicagoDreamHomeRaffle.com to get more details. Second place is a 50-inch plasma TV. We will also draw 3 winners for $250 cash and 1 winner for $500 cash. These winners can also choose raffle tickets instead of the cash. We will start with the $250 winners. As you saw, the drum already spun. And the first $250 winner is David Schultz, Lake Zurich, Illinois.
Yay!
Congratulations, David. Winner for $250 cash or 3 raffle tickets. The next winner is Therese Urosky from Glenview, Illinois.
Yay!
Congratulations, Therese. Winner for $250 or 3 tickets to be placed in the raffle, Carl Witten, Warrenville, Illinois. All right, it's getting big now. $500 winner. And the winner is Kenneth Wolhoff, Denver, Colorado. All right, hold on now. 50-inch plasma TV.
Drum roll. 1, right?
Just one.
Just one.
1.
Sandra Anderson, Dryden, Michigan.
Yay!
Congratulations, Sandra. And now, the biggest prize in our early bird drawing, the kitchen remodel, for $2,500 in cash. The winner is Durlab Badish.
Spell it.
Durlabh, Baadh, from Woodridge, Illinois. Congratulations, Durlab! Yay! Don't forget to buy your tickets at ChicagoDreamHomeRaffle.com.